Shingirai here again with another update on portfolio performance. On a quarter-to-date basis, 2 out of 5 of the CBAM portfolios have outperformed their respective benchmarks, with returns ranging from 0.57% for CBAM 1 all the way up to 2.43% for CBAM 5v2, which is really reflecting the risk-on sentiment that we continue to see in the markets coming into the fourth quarter of 2020. We do see some outperformance, some underperformance rather, versus benchmark portfolios for portfolios 3, 4, and 5 on a slight basis, and we do expect that would be reversing over the coming weeks, given the news coming out of Europe in today's trading, where we've seen a lot of weakness in European markets and obviously a curfew being imposed in Paris, and then a record number of increase in cases in Germany and London going into a high level of lockdown, which would be affecting European stocks coming sort of over the next couple of weeks when we look at the quarter-to-date performance. In terms of main contributors, again, here we see the risk-on sentiment being echoed again, and the top performer over the period has been Schroeder US smaller companies, returning 5.77%, and we have seen also our European positions and global emerging markets and S&P 500 all returning above 3% on a quarter-to-date basis, and the LNG UK 100 also above 1% alongside the UK smaller companies as well. In terms of detractors on a quarter-to-date basis, we see iShares Physical Gold down about 1.48% as sentiment shifts to risk on, and also index-linked gilts up down about 0.75%. Switching over to a year-to-date basis, we see all 5 of the CBAM portfolios outperforming their respective benchmarks, with performance returning from minus 0.5% in CBAM 4 all the way up to 3.02% in the green for CBAM 1. In terms of contributors to performance, again, here the narrative continues, where we see sustained strength coming from global gold, up about 44.6%. if you're looking at the gold miners through 91 Global, and up about 26.5% if you're looking at physical gold through the iShares ET exchange traded commodity. In terms of detractors, the usual suspects here again: LNG UK 100, UK large cap down about 18.76%, as well as the FTSE 250 down about 17.03%.